Is what's your doubt? Please go ahead. Ask the doubt.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Shiva Basava, if you tell only once, it's enough.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Is somebody asked doubt? What is a doubt?
Good morning, sir. Good
Yes,
morning,
good
sir.
morning. Morning.
Sir,
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
sir,
Yes.
sir, I am Shiva Basra, sir.
Yeah. What is your doubt?
Sir, tomorrow will be class.
Tomorrow will be class. What does it mean?
Sir, not a class idea, sir.
Will class be there tomorrow?
Sir, tomorrow it will be class.
Will class be there tomorrow? That is what you have
Yes,
to
sir,
ask.
no, sir.
Class will not be there tomorrow. Tomorrow, since it is Gandhi Jayanti, there is a celebration at school, so no classes.
I will Sainik school come, sir.
What did you ask?
Sir, when we will come to Sainik school?
When will you come to Sainik school? When the government gives the permission that we can go ahead with regular classes, you can come to Sainik school.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow will be not class, sir.
Tomorrow, no classes will be there.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Anuradha has a doubt. Yes, Anuradha. No doubt.
Sir, please continue class.
Now the time is 8:33 and only 62 are present. In the yesterday's class, we have looked at how to find the prime factors, how to express a given number as the product of prime. In today's class, we shall learn the meaning of highest common factor, and it is also known as greatest common divisor. Suppose if I take an example, it will be much better for you to understand. There are two methods mentioned as per your syllabus. One of the method is called as common factor method and the second method is called as prime factorization method. Let's take up the first method, finding the highest common factor by common factor method. Suppose if I consider three different numbers 18, 24 and 42, what I require is the factors of these numbers 18, 24 and 42. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factors of 18. Likewise, we will find the factors of 24, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. The factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. In this, if you observe these numbers, which are in black color, these numbers are common for all the three. 1, 2, 3, 6. It's there in all the three. These are called as the common factors. Among these common factors, the highest is 6. 6 is the highest. So 6 is the highest common factor of 18, 24 and 42. This method is known as common factor method. I'll repeat. First, we need to find the factors of each of the numbers. Then we have to identify the common factors. Here the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Then we are going to identify the highest common factor. This method is very easy. The next method is prime factorization method. In the prime factorization method, we are going to express the given numbers as a product of primes. This 27 is expressed as 3 into 3 into 3. 45 is expressed as 3 into 3 into 5. The reason is when we do prime factorization to find the prime product, 3 9 times is 27, 3 3 times is 9, 3 1 time is 3. So it is 3 into 3 into 3. If I consider 45, 3 15 times is 45, 3 5 times is 15, 5 1 times is 5. So 3 into 3 into 5. The common prime factors of the given number is 3 occurring twice. Therefore, the highest common factor is 3 square, which is 9. And this method is called as prime factorization method. Here, Punyashlok is asking a doubt. Let me unmute. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have another app to make PDF. Can I use that app, sir?
You have written something in the chat box. Let me read it out for others also. Sir, can we make PDF in another app?
Sir.
Sir, I have another app called Document Scanner. I have made several PDF in this app. Sir, can I use this app, sir?
Sir,
See,
Adobe Scanner, sir.
we are not behind a particular app. What we require is a proper PDF. You must have seen the notes which I share. I have converted the Word document into PDF and PPT into PDF and I have shared it. You must have
Yes,
seen
sir.
Raman sir sharing notes.
Yes, sir.
Raman sir will write on paper and he makes it as a PDF.
Yes, sir.
You are all able to go through the file and you can read what is written in the paper very clearly. When you scan your answer sheet, we must also read it very clearly. So you have to scan it
Oh,
properly. The mean how to
okay, sir.
scan and all, it's you have to learn. Randomly you take some papers, make it as PDF, you can practice it. There are so many applications to convert image to PDF. You can use them. Document scanner is one, Cam scanner is another. Like that, Adobe scanner is there. There are many applications.
Okay,
Rohit
sir.
Kumar says voice is not clear. Is it clear for others?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Voice is clear, sir.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Rohit,
Yes, sir.
Rohit
Sir, it is very
probably,
clear, sir.
Rohit probably for you there is a network issue. You sit in a comfortable place where network is there. All right. Yes, moving ahead.
Sir, what is your email ID, sir?
Who is asking this, sir?
Varun, sir.
Varun Vadodji. I said on the question paper there will be email ID written. Please go through question paper and then send. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Because for each class we use different email ID. My personal email ID is different, and for different classes I have made different email IDs. Is that clear?
Sir.
Yes, sir. Now I have a question here. Find the highest common factor of each of the following by common factor method. Let's take up the first one. In the first one, we have 18 and 45. Let's write down the factors of 18. 18 is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, it is also divisible by 3, 6, it is divisible by 9, it is divisible by 18. These are the factors
Sir,
of
is 6, sir.
18. 6 is written,
Sir,
sir.
I am 6, sir.
6 is written. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors of 48 are 1, 2. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is. It is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 8.
8, sir.
Yes, sir. 8.
It is divisible by 12,
8 and 9, sir.
24, and
16.
48.
And 48.
Sir, 16 also, sir.
16 also it will come.
16 also, sir.
16
Yes,
also.
16 should be written here.
16
Let me
also,
write
sir.
it here, 16. In this, we have to identify the common factors. 1, 2,
1,
3,
1, 2, 3.
6.
3,
1,
6.
2, 3, 6. These are the common factors. So let me write the common factors. The common factors are,
Highest common factor is a 6, sir.
okay, sir. Therefore, the highest common factor of 18, 48 is 6. There is another way to write. We can write it like this. HCF in bracket 48 comma, sorry, 18 comma 48, which is equal to 6. This is another way to write the mathematical statement. Hope it is clear to everyone.
Excuse me, sir. The second one highest common factor is a 6, sir.
Ishant says the answer for the third one. He says answer is 28. And Aryan Singh is saying the second answer is 6. Will you solve these three?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody wants me to solve this fourth
Sir,
one.
third one is a 12, sir. Answer.
Third one is 12.
Yes, sir.
Yes, one of your friends says it is 28.
No, sir.
Shall
36
we,
not divide the 26, sir.
shall we solve
Yes,
that?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, third one. Let me mention the factors of 36. It is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 6, 9.
Sir, 3. Sir, 3.
Yes,
Sir,
3
three.
I have left. Okay,
So,
let me again write 1, 2, 3.
3.
It is divisible by 4. It is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 9.
9.
Hmm.
12,
It is
12, sir.
divisible by 12.
12, sir.
18,
18,
sir.
sir, and 36, sir. 18 and
18
36.
and 36, sir.
Okay, very good. 84. It is divisible by 1. It is divisible by 2.
Yes,
It is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. Okay.
4, sir. 6. 4. 6. 6.
6.
6. Sir,
Seven,
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 sir.
seven, sir.
Seven,
Seven,
sir.
seven,
Sir.
seven, 12, sir.
12, sir.
12, sir.
Sir, 21.
Sir, 14.
Sir, 21.
42. 42.
42.
44. Sir,
84.
44. 44, sir. 42, 84, sir.
14. Sir, third answer 12. Sir,
What are the common factors in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. That much only.
Yes, sir.
So the highest common factor of 36 and 84.
12, sir.
Equals to 24, sir.
Sir, fourth one 35, sir.
Sir, then
Yes, sir. Fourth one is 35.
This is how we find the common factor using the common factor method. In this, the highest common factor is 12. Likewise, if you solve the fourth one, you will get 35 as the highest common factor. You can try this, you will get 35 as the highest common factor. This method is common factor method. There is another method, prime factorization method. Now we have questions which are related to prime factorization method. Let's do this. To solve, we need to express the given numbers as a product of prime. In the first one, we have 30 and 42. First, let me express 30. For that, I am going to divide 2 15 times is 30. 3 5 times, 5 1 time. So 30 can be expressed as 2 into 3 into 5. Same way, we have to work out for 42. If 42 is divided by 2, we get 21. This 21 is divisible by 3 7 times, 7 1 time. So 42 is written as 2 into 3 into 7. Now, to find the highest common factor, we will consider this particular thing which is common here. It is 2 times of 3, which is 6. So the highest common factor is 6. It is that simple. Now I will be taking one more. This time I will take little larger number, that is fourth one we will solve. In the fourth one, we have three different numbers. Let me consider the fourth one. For that, I need to factorize this 91, 112, and 49. This 91 is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by 3. Is it divisible by 7? Yes, it is divisible by 7. When you divide 7 1 times is 7, 2 remains 21, 7 threes are 21. So 13 one time. This 112, if you prime factorize, it is divisible by 2. 2 5 times is 10, 2 6 times is 12. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 2 times, 2 8 times. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 14 times, 2 7 times, 7 1 time. Now 49 is not divisible by 2, it is not divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 5. We know that 7 7 times is 49, 7 ones are 7. Therefore, I can express 91 as 7 into 13. and I can express 112 as 2 raised to the power 4 into 7. I can express 49 as 7 square. In this, highest common factor of 91, 112 and 49 is 7. Though there is 7 square here, we have to consider the lowest power. Here the lowest power is 2. Lowest power is 1. So we have to consider 7 to the power 1, which is 7. This is how we find highest common factor by this method. Hope you have understood this. Let me unmute. Yes, Paras. Paras, what is the doubt?
Yes, sir.
I can't understood this. Can you explain again?
You have not understood why 91 is written as 7 into 13.
Yes, sir.
When 7 is multiplied to 13, what do we get? 7 times of
91
13.
will get
91 we get. 112 I have written as 2 to the power 4 into 7. The meaning of 2 to the power 4 is 2 multiplied 4 times. Here you can count this 1, 1, 2, 3, 4.
16.
4 times I have taken 2 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
4 into 7. 49 is 7 into 7, 7 square. In this, if you observe what is common, you will come to know that there is 7.
7, 7, 7.
In this, there is 7 square. Actually, 7 square means 7 into 7.
7 into 7.
7 square is 7 into 7. So, one of the 7 from here I can consider. So, the highest common factor is just 7. Understood, Paras? Paras Anand Nalwade
Sir, my
understood.
answer is right or wrong, sir?
What is your answer? What is your answer?
Sir, I am on the video, sir.
Sir, I should teach. I cannot see what is the video you have switched on. Is that clear to you? You tell me
But,
what is the answer you got.
sir, first one 6, sir. Second one 9, sir. Third one 34, sir. Fourth one 7, sir.
Third one, how many of you have solved?
Sir, 34 on the 34,
Sir,
34 3 ja, sir. 102, sir.
34 3s are 102. So 34 will be the highest common factor.
Yes, sir. 34
You are
is the
correct.
answer for third.
For the second one,
34 is answer, sir.
9, sir. Second one is.
Second one is correct, sir.
Second one is 9,
sir. Yes. Second one is 9, sir.
9.
okay, sir, correct, sir. Happy? Are you happy? Next one is the least common multiple. It is also called as the lowest common multiple. What we require is the multiples of the given numbers. In that, which is the least we have to find. Here is an example. The numbers considered are 8, 12 and 18. The multiples of 8. If you write the 8 table, you will come to know the multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. These are the multiples of 8. The multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. The factors, sorry, multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108. In this, the common multiple and the first common multiple is the lowest common multiple, that is 72. Therefore, 72 is the lowest common multiple. Here 72 is common for all the three and it is the first common thing. Therefore, it is the lowest common multiple. It is called as LCM. And we can write and represent like LCM of 8, 12, 18 is equal to 72. Hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Here, one of your friend,
Yes, sir.
Badiger Anil, is asking, sir, please send your email ID in WhatsApp group. I have repeatedly said
Sir,
email
voice
ID
is
will
not
be.
coming, sir.
Voice is
I
It is
repeatedly
audible,
said
sir.
email ID will be written on the question paper. So we cannot send it in WhatsApp group. There is yet another method to find the least common multiple, that is prime factorization method. In this method, we are
Sir,
going to
voice is
make.
not coming, sir.
Who is not getting the voice, sir?
Coming, sir.
sir coming, sir.
Sir.
Sir, your voice is sir.
There
Tarun
will be
Rajan
some
is not
network
getting,
issue
sir.
from your side.
Sir,
Here is an
voice is coming,
example.
sir.
Here is an example of prime factorization method. 40, 48, 45 are the numbers given. First, we express them as a product of prime. It is 2 cube into 5. Let me write it again for you. It is 2 cube into 5. In this, it is 2 to the power 4 into 3. In this, it is 3 square into 5. Now, for finding the least common multiple, we have to consider what is common in them with their highest power. Here, 2 is being present 4 times. So, 2 raised to the power 4. 3 is present maximum 2 number of times. So, 3 square into 5 is present only 1 number of times. So, 5. Answer is 720. There is another method called as a division method. In division method, we go for division like this. Then whatever the numbers are present towards the left, we are going to multiply. That gives the LCM as the LCM of the given number. Let me take the previous example here. 48, 40 and 45. Let us find using this method. So what we require here is prime factorization of these numbers. Let me increase the size. Alright. Now I am going to consider something like this.
Twenty, sir.
Alright, now I'll write within this 40, 48. Let me increase the size of this.
5.
Okay, sir.
Sir, answer is 720, sir.
These numbers, first you have to go for division by 2. 2 20 times. 2 2s are 2 4s are. This
24,
45 is not
45.
divisible by 2. You have to write as it is. Further, I will consider 2. 2 10 times. 12 times. 45 written as it is. 2 5 times. 2 6 times. 45 is written as it is. 5 written as it is. 3 times. 45. Now you consider 3. 5 written as it is.
1,
3. Once again 3. Written as it is. Written as it is. 5 1 we have to continue this using the prime factorization until we get 1. Now
LCM
the
is
LCM
720, sir.
is 2 multiplied 4 times, 3 multiplied 2 times,
2
and
times
5 multiplied once.
5, 1 time.
This will be 16 into 9 into 5.
48 into 20.
The screen is not there, sir. Screen is not available. Sir,
It is
please
700,
share the screen. 720, sir.
720.
720.
Sir,
Again, screen goes, sir. Again.
sir. Mir is presenting, sir.
You have understood this?
Yes, sir. Screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible now.
It is visible. Sir,
Sir,
your screen is not visible.
Not visible, sir.
As presented, sir.
Is it visible now?
No, sir.
Not visible.
Yes, sir. Now it is. Yes, sir. Now it is visible.
No, sir.
Now it is
No,
visible,
sir.
sir.
There is no visible.
Sir, visible, sir. Sir, now.
Prathamesh? Prathamesh, can you see this?
Sir, now it is visible,
No,
sir.
sir. It is not visible, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
I
we can
can't
see, sir.
Sir, it is visible, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see, sir.
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir.
If only one of your friend is not able
Sir,
to
now it is visible, sir. Sir, now it is visible, sir.
Yes, Pallavi, can you read it for me?
Visible, sir. Visible.
Visible.
Pallavi, can you read it for me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Rupa purchases 2 bags of fertilizer
Sir,
of
now
weight
visible.
75 kg,
Join the class.
75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of the weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times.
Yeah. Here there are two weights given 75 kg and 69 kg. We need to find the maximum value of the weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. Is this question related to the highest common factor or the least common multiple? This is a question related to the highest common factor. We need to find out. We need to find out the common weight. So, what we can do is we can find the highest common factor for these two numbers. If you consider 69 and 75, we need to find out the highest common factor of these two. This 69, when you divide by 3, we get 23 times. 23 one time. 75, if you go for division, it is divisible by 3, 25 times.
हाँ
Further, 5
काका चलिए
times, 5 one time.
अच्छा
So 69 is 3 times of 23. 75 is 3 times of 5 into 5. In this, the highest common factor is 3. So 3 kg is the weight which will give the multiple of both these weights. So the common weight is 3 kg. Okay, at this point, I would like to give another method to find the highest common factor. That is called as division method. Division method, we need to divide the larger number by the smaller number. So this will be one time. Actually, we mention it like this. One time is 69. What remains? What is the difference?
Six.
6 is the difference. Now you have to divide 69.
11, sir.
11s are 66.
56. 11 sir, 66.
3 remains.
Sir,
Now you divide this.
75.
2 times are 6.
2 times.
0.
Yes, sir.
The moment you get 0, look at the divisor. This will be the highest common factor. So the HCF is 3.
3, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
This method is called as
Sir,
division method.
division method. HCF of division method.
Let me take prime factorization of this 34 and no. I'll take this same question 91, 112 and 49. Let us solve by division method. Yes. In three numbers, you have to select two of the numbers and first we have to find the HCF of that. कौन सा लेना चाहिए?
91 and 112, sir.
91, 112 लेना चाहिए? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will take 91 and 112. This is one time 91.
Sir,
Subtract
answer
it.
is 12. 21.
Subtract करो यार.
21. Sir.
21.
21, sir.
Now you divide this 91.
By 91.
4 times
4, sir. 4, sir. 84. 84, sir. Sir, 21, 4, sir.
7 remains.
Yes, sir.
84, sir.
3s are 21.
3, sir. 21.
So
0 remain.
here we have found the highest common factor of 91 and 112 is 7.
Is 7.
Now find highest common factor of 7 and 49. This you have to find. 7 divides 49 7 times.
Answer is 7,
7,
sir.
7, 49. 7 only, sir. Answer.
7. No?
Answer, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this method is easier compared to the other two methods.
Yes, sir. Yes, this is easy, sir.
Yes, this method is very easy. So here I had given two of the methods. Let us mention one more method. The one more method is called as division method.
Division method.
Sir, can we use this in exam, sir?
Yes, you can use this in the examination. So there are three different methods. Common factorization.
Sir,
Common factor method. Prime factorization and division.
Sir, in
In
exam
the
we have to solve
examination, you can solve in any of the method.
No, sir, in exam we have to solve on the paper also, sir.